I kind of feel like maybe I should welcome my own self back to my own channel. As you guys may know, it's been a while. If you don't know, I actually had knee surgery about 2 weeks ago. I'm finally off of crutches, ready to get out the house. So we're gonna hit up a few thrift stores and see if we can find some stuff to sell online for a profit.
Stumbled upon something here. You want $4 a piece. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Set of Ping G5s. Let's see if I can find a pitching wedge maybe. So I got the set of Ping G5 irons. You guys know Ping equals cha-ching, and it's a marine dot, I believe is what they call it. It's a 5 through 9. Unfortunately, couldn't find the pitching wedge, but either way, they're $3.99 a piece, which is kind of high. They're usually $1.99. Either way, for 20 bucks, I'll take it. Should be an easy 100. This looks interesting. Honeywell Lyric T5 thermostat, $5. I definitely need to open it and make sure it's in there. But for now, we're gonna put it in the cart. All right, spent a few more minutes looking at hard goods. Didn't find anything, unfortunately. So it's time to investigate this Honeywell thermostat. I'm gonna scan it first, see if it's even worth picking up. If it is in there. Using the eBay app, scanning the barcode, and let's see, filter, condition, used. There's 18 listed, and 27 sold. So that's a pretty good sell through. Here's one that sold for 85, parts only 20, parts only 25, pre-owned 45, parts only 25, pre-owned 70. So if it's in there, it's probably worth picking up, even for parts. Looks like they sell pretty quick. Let's make sure it's in here. Not only is it in here, I'm pretty sure it's unused. Still got the plastic on there, so yeah, that's gonna be a pretty good pickup. So I've spent way too much time at this place, but they're steady putting stuff out. I can't believe it. Usually I come here to never put anything out, but they're putting out clothes, hard goods, everything. Here's a preview of what I've got so far. I'll tell you about it more when I get out to the car, but got some pretty cool stuff.
Yippee! Ooh la la!
I'm gonna make another lap since they're putting stuff out, see what else I can find. So I just found these wonderful World of Disney poo receiving blankets, and they're definitely older. They're also brand new. They only want $2.99 for them. I can't remember who posted about these, but supposedly these things sell pretty well, and I was able to find a couple of comps on some similar ones for like 30 or 40 bucks. So for $3, I think it's worth a shot. Not gonna take up much room either. All right, so you guys saw the golf clubs and the receiving blanket and the thermostat, but what you didn't see was all of the clothing that I got. Let me show you. First up, Harley Davidson long sleeve tee, and it's modern for sure, and it's going to be a slow seller. I get that. They're only $4.75. It's in excellent condition. Another long sleeve Harley tee, $4.75. Short sleeve tee, they're only $1.50 here at our Goodwill, so I always pick these up. They don't sell really quick on eBay, especially the modern ones. This one's from 2018. And I've had good luck selling them on Whatnot. Got a Mickey original that's actually for my daughter, only $1.50. And then another Harley short sleeve tee, only $1.50. Can't beat that. Probably the best one though is this full zip fleece. It's a Harley, paid $5.75 for it. Got the nice embroidery on it. Like I said, full zip. Got the huge embroidery on the back, and all this stuff is good sizes, like large and extra larges. So I'm thinking this was a pretty good stop and a pretty good welcome back to thrifting. But this is also the location that's got a boutique inside. It's like right over there. So we're gonna go in there and see what else we can find. All right, so quick trip into the boutique, or which one do you say? I feel like a boutique is kind of maybe where ghosts shop, I don't know. But usually they have a bunch of like sneakers in there. Didn't really have a whole lot. They do, however, have a bunch of designer purses, Coach, Dooney and Burke. Most of them 40 and 50 bucks, and they, how do you know if they're real or not? I definitely wouldn't take a chance for that price, but we're gonna hit up another spot. Alright, so normally I don't pick up FootJoy if it's got a golf course logo on it, but Bay Hill is actually a popular course where they hold a PGA tournament, so that might actually help the value, not hurt it. I'm going to grab it. It's only going to be $3.99, so yeah. Alright, so I don't usually buy Mossy Oak apparel stuff, doesn't tend to sell really well, but this is like a turkey vest, and at first I thought it was a long sleeve turkey vest, but the sleeves actually zip off. Got the National Wild Turkey Federation patch on there. I think somebody just sewed that on, but this thing's in really good condition. There's comps without sleeves for like 30 bucks, and jacket's gonna be $5.99. So I think I'm gonna give this a shot. If it doesn't sell, I can give it to a buddy of mine that goes turkey hunting all the time. It's a extra large 2XL, so good size too. All right, so I think I'm done. I did find this emerald frying pan on the top shelf back there. They want $10 for it, but it's also all clad, which is a great brand. I did open it up. Unfortunately, it has been used, but only like maybe once or twice. There's a sold comp for one of 74, I believe, used, and it's in way worse condition than this. And there's none listed, so I think I'm gonna give it a shot for 10 bucks. All right, got the frying pan. I'm thinking 60, 70 bucks on that. I'm kind of regretting buying it because it's so big, it's going to take up a lot of room in my storage. But if I can flip it quick, 10 in the 60s, not too bad. Got the FootJoy shirt and the turkey vest. And speaking of turkey vest, I wanted to tell you guys about Mr. Fox. And if you can get one of those turkey vests, you can flip it for a lot of money. You'll probably never find one at a thrift store, but you may find one in an estate sale or something. Who knows? Just wanted to show you guys Mr. Fox. I mean, just check out the comps. Kind of crazy. Definitely be on the lookout for Mr. Fox turkey vests. And yes, there are collectible turkey vests. Another Goodwill, and I haven't been here in like 5 or 6 months. Hopefully that means they saved a bunch of good stuff for me. Doubt it though.
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
All right, search the last Goodwill, high and low, and the only thing that even had any potential was that broken VCR. Luckily, got another Goodwill right here. All right, so I went straight to the back of this store, and they had a bunch of toner cartridges kind of down at the bottom of one of the shelves, and I did a bunch of research, and I'm gonna get these. I've actually got a complete set of toner cartridges for the Oki, all these different models here. I want $4.99 a piece. Like I said, I've got the whole set plus one extra black. Comps are really all over the place, but most people are selling them individually. I'm gonna sell them as a set, and I honestly think I can get $100 for 4 and then maybe 20 or 25 for this one. So for $25, I'm definitely gonna take a chance on that. Just found this shirt, definitely authentic Braves t-shirt, and no, don't adjust your screen, it's really that bad. Wow. So the Bengals, anybody recognize the Bengals? That is real high quality, thick jersey. It's Nike team, size medium. I don't know. It's real high quality. It's in good condition. Maybe a local team, maybe a minor league team. I think I'm gonna give it a shot for $4.75. See what I can find out about it. It's cool. So I'm back home, and it's actually been a few days, and you guys may notice my office looks a little different. More on that in the future, but I did figure out where the jersey came from. It's from Blythewood High School. Blythewood's a town that's pretty near me, so the jersey's not really going to be worth anything. May end up redonating it, and maybe some alumni can grab it. But I want to tell you guys about a way that I've been sourcing while I couldn't get out to thrift stores. So after I had knee surgery, it's not like I could go out to my local Goodwill or go to a bunch of garage sales. I was kind of stuck at home, and not being able to buy inventory to resell was definitely depressing. So I actually started watching Whatnot. Now I know you guys don't like when I talk about Whatnot, but bear with me. I actually found some really cool stuff, like this cruise ship that I paid I think $11 for after shipping and fees and everything. And once it got here to me after 3 or 4 days, it sold in 2 for $100 plus shipping. I also bought a lot of 6 hats for $37, and well, here's the most recent one that sold of just one of those. And this one's not new with tags, mine is. So I should pay for the whole lot, and then I'll be in the profit, and then the other hats should sell for about $15, $20 a piece. And even got these jerseys for $5 a piece, and once they sell, even if they sell for half price, that's a pretty good investment. Not bad for sitting around the couch or watching an auction while I'm listing. And that's just a sample of some of the stuff that I've been buying on Whatnot, and honestly, I think I've done pretty well. Now, this video is not sponsored by them. As a matter of fact, when they first came out, I didn't like it. But being on the couch, not being able to go anywhere, kind of made me rethink my options when it comes to sourcing. And I definitely think Whatnot is one. Now, it's not going to replace garage sales or thrift stores for me, but I'll definitely add it to my tool belt as a way to get inventory. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.